Guys, I am really sorry, and one thing to know for sure, my code MelonQuest is about to expire, so someone is gonna buy it there, and which is why I'm gonna buy this code justmelon. I'm gonna add you as a member, Timmy Junior VR. But
I'm the only member.
yeah, I'm gonna add more members soon when you join, and you're gonna realize it. And that's
Why are
right.
you just making
Yeah.
Why are you just making your friends members?
And yes, I'm gonna add some of my friends as members, so you can join this code to meet me in Animal Company.